Standard 10th Subject Science and Technology Part 2. Here we are going to discuss about 1 mark question, and the question type is write whether the statements are true or false. Students, in previous video we discussed about 1 mark question, and the question type is true or false from Science and Technology Part 1st. In today's videos we also going to discuss about the 1 mark question, and question type is true or false, but it is from Science and Technology Part 2nd. This type of question is also asking in question number 1b. So for each question there is a 1 mark. So here question, how question is asking, see here, write whether the following statements are true or false. Here the given statement may be true or false, and identify and write the correct answer only. Here correcting the statement it is and rewriting that it is not accepted. here इथे पण काय करायचं बघा, जे दिलेलं स्टेटमेंट आहे ते फक्त तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, ट्रू आहे की फॉल्स आहे हेच फक्त काय करायचं, मेन्शन करायचं आहे. इथे त्या स्टेटमेंटला करेक्ट करून लिहिण्याची काही गरज नाही. जर तसं त्या प्रकारच्या सूचना तिथे दिलेल्या नसतील तर याची काहीही गरज नाही. सो हिअर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट सम examples or some questions here asking for true or false. So first chapter, see, first one is the heredity and evolution. From that some questions are here. First question, see, it takes thousands of years for useful structure to disappear. So this is a false one. This statement is false. Then next, Dr. Hargobind Khurana was awarded Nobel Prize for his invention and publication in a journal Ratio Carbon, and this is a false statement. Then Mesozoic era was dominated by varieties of mammals. This is also false statement. Then next, see here, it seems that vertebrates have been slowly originated from invertebrates. So this one is a true statement because vertebrates are originated from invertebrates. Then next, the decaying process of C14 occurs continuously from the dead remains of living organism. This is a true statement. Then next, the theory of natural selection, which mentions survival of fittest, and that is given by Lamarck. This is a false. This is not given by Lamarck. This is given by Darwin. Then the next chapter, that is second one, is a life processes in living organisms, part first. Here are some questions from this. First question, see, glucose is oxidized step by step in cells during the process of respiration at the body level. This is a false statement. Glucose is oxidized by step in the cells during the process of respiration at the body level. This is a false statement. Next one, in aerobic respiration, glucose is oxidized in 3 steps. This is a true statement. In aerobic respiration, here glucose is oxidized in 3 steps, and that steps are glycolysis, Krebs cycle and ETS cycle. Then next, see here, Gluconeogenesis is also called as the Erdem-Meyerhof partners pathway, and this is a false one. Then fourth statement here, molecules of pyruvic acid formed in this glycolysis are converted into molecules of acetyl coenzyme A. This is a true statement. Here molecules of pyruvic acid is formed in the process of glycolysis, that is converted into the molecules of acetyl coenzyme A. Then next see here, excess of ATP molecules obtained from proteins are not stored in the body. This is a false statement, because here next see here, proteins of animals origin is called as a first class proteins. Proteins from the animal origin, that is called as a first class protein. Yes, this is a true statement. Then next one is the diseases related with the deficient synthesis of insulin is a heart diseases. Here this is a false statement. Disease related with the deficient synthesis of the insulin, that is not a heart diseases, that is a diabetes. Okay, so therefore this is a false statement. Then so here these are the some questions from the second chapter. Now third chapter, life processes in living organism, part second, and here are some questions. Absence of genetic recombination is an advantage, whereas rapidity of process is drawback of asexual reproductive method, and this is a false statement. Then next, progress shows the fission which occurs either by mitosis or amitosis. Yes, this is a true statement. Next one is during favorable conditions, multiple fission is performed by amoeba. Yes, this is this one is now here in during the favorable, not a favorable condition, when there is an unfavorable condition, at that time amoeba performs the multiple fission. Therefore this statement is a false one. Next one is any encysted amoeba or any other protist, that is called as a cyst. Yes, this is called as a cyst. When there is an unfavorable condition, amoeba have a tough cuticle around it, that is called as a cyst. Therefore this statement is a true statement. Then next one, if the body of cycon breaks up accidentally into only large and few fragments, then only each fragment develops into new cycon. Here this statement is a false statement. Then next one, pollen tube reaches the zygote via style. Here this one is a false statement. Then next one, there is a glucose sugar in semen. This is a false statement. So these are the some questions from third chapter. Now fourth chapter, see here, environmental management. The some questions are, see here, only abiotic factors play very important role in ecosystem. Here this is a false, because not only abiotic but biotic factors also plays role in the ecosystem. Both abiotic and biotic factors are important. Therefore this statement is a false one. Then next one, paddy fields are frequently attacked by grasshoppers. Yes, here this is a true statement. Then next statement, environmental pollution is unnecessary and never acceptable change in surrounding environment. So this is a true statement. Yes, this environmental pollution is unnecessary and it is not a acceptable change, and therefore this statement is a true statement. Then fourth one, X-ray and radiations from atomic energy plants are natural radiations. This is a false, because this is not a natural one, because the atomic energy power plants are man-made, and the radiation which are released from these, that are not a natural. Therefore the statement is a false one. Then next, the person breaching the Environmental Conservation Act is entitled for either 1 year imprisonment or fine up to 5 lakh. This is a false one. Many people come together to establish a new forest, but a single person, if determined, that can destroy the entire forest. This is a false one. Many people, when comes together, they may destroy a forest. Therefore this is a false statement. Then flow of nutrients in an ecosystem is unidirectional. So this is a false statement. So that is not a unidirectional. Flow of nutrients, that is not a unidirectional. Then these are some questions from environmental management. Then see the next chapter, that is towards green energy. Here first question is, in the thermal power plants, the turbines work on solar energy. So this is a false statement. In thermal power plant, solar is not useful. Then next one is how to dispose the nuclear waste safely is a big challenge before scientists. तर कशा प्रकारे डिस्पोज करायचा जे काही न्यूक्लिअर वेस्ट तयार होतं न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर प्लांट्समधून, तर हा काय आहे सायंटिस्टच्या समोरचा एक मोठा प्रश्न आहे, संकट आहे. सो देयरफॉर दिस स्टेटमेंट इज अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. नेक्स्ट, द efficiency of power generation using coal plant is higher than the power generation based on the natural gas. Here this statement is a false statement. Next one, the energy obtained from nuclear fission is eco-friendly. The energy obtained from the nuclear fission, that is not eco-friendly, because there are some radiations which releases due to this nuclear fission, and therefore it is not eco-friendly. Then fifth, next one statement is, see, in the hydroelectric power plant, the kinetic energy in water stored in dam is converted into the potential energy of the water. So this is a false. Why it is? Because when the stored water, that consists potential energy which is converted into the kinetic energy. इथे या स्टेटमेंट मध्ये काय केलं आहे, अपोजिट दिलेला आहे, उलट दिलेला आहे. So therefore this statement is a false statement. Then see next one, next chapter, that is animal classification. Here see some questions are here. The first question is heart if present in non-chordates is on ventral side of a body. This is a false statement because in the non-chordates the heart, if the heart is present, that is present at the dorsal side. Then next question, arthropoda animals bears numerous spores on their body. This is again false. Which type of animals bear spores on the body? Yes, that are the porifera. The animals from porifera, they have numerous spores on their body. Then next question, coelenterate animals have special type of collar cells. Here this statement is a false one. Here next question, fifth one, or next one is the Aschelminthes have acoelomate and bilaterally symmetrical body. Aschelminthes, that is not a acoelomate, this is a coelomate having bilaterally symmetrical body, and therefore this statement is a false one. Next see, planet Earth has the highest number of animals from phylum Arthropoda. Yes, this is the highest or higher or having high number of animals, and that is a phylum Arthropoda. So therefore this statement is a true statement. Then next question, animals belonging to the phylum Annelida perform the locomotion with the help of the 2 feet. Here Annelidas have not 2 feet, they have paracities or parapodias or suckers for the locomotion, and therefore 2 feet are present in echinoderms. So therefore this is a false one. This statement is a false statement. Then next, Hardmania has a notochord in only tail region, and hence it is called as a Urochordata. This is a true statement because Euro means a tail region, and in the Hardmania the notochord is present at the tail region only. Therefore this is a true statement. The next see here, next one, chapter 8, that is a cell biology and biotechnology. Here are some question, and the question type is here, rewrite the following wrong statements after correction. असा काय आहे हा क्वेश्चन आहे. याच्यामध्ये changes in genes of the cells are brought about in non-genetic technique. This is a false one. Changes occurs in lifetime are transferred to the next generation. Here genes from Bacillus thuringiensis is introduced into cotton. Here this is a true statement, so that is called as a BT cotton. Then next one, high class varieties of crops have been developed through the technique of transplantation. So this is a false statement. Then next, earlier insulin was being collected from the pancreas of the horses. Here this statement is a true statement. पूर्वी इन्सुलिन जे आहे तर ते हॉर्सच्या पॅनक्रियास पासून काय केलं जात होतं, कलेक्ट केलं जात होते. देन नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, मलेरिया अरायझेस ड्यू टू जेनेटिक चेंजेस इन हिपॅटोसिस्टम. हियर this statement is a false one. Hepatocysts are the cells present in the liver. Then next one, the Pseudomonas bacteria are useful for cleaning the hydrocarbons and oil pollutants from soil and water. Here, this is a true statement. Then next see here, various essential elements like NPK, that is nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus and potassium, they becomes available to the crops due to earthworms and fungi. Here, this is a true statement. Then next, we do not have any tradition that cures the diseases with the help of natural resources. This one is a false statement. So we do not have any tradition to cure the diseases with the help of natural resources. So here there are some examples, or here some questions for statements, whether the statements are true or false. We discussed about this in this video. So exercise here, write down all these questions in your notebook, rewrite or recite these all questions.